Zuhri said that Abdullah bin Ka'ab bin Malik Ansari informed me Hazrat Ka'ab bin Malik Ansari was one of those three whose repentance was approved. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu notified him when Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu, after visiting Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the ailment he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away, came out. The people said, O Abul Hasan, how is Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? He replied, Thank Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he is well now. Hazrat Abbas bin Abdul Muttalib radiyallahu anhu then held his hand and said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you will be the slave of a staff after 3 days. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I feel that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam will pass away of this ailment. For I have witnessed the faces of Abdul Muttalib's progeny at the time of their death. You should go to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on behalf of us and request us caliphate from him. If a caliph is from amongst us, we will know it, and if he is from amongst other people, we will come to know of him. So you may enjoin him to do good to us. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not request him for the grant of caliphate at all. For if he refused to give it to us, the people will never give it to us after him. So I will never request Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam for it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4447.